In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create new folders in Yahoo Mail. By the end, you'll know exactly where to go, what to click, and how to name and save your folders so you can keep your inbox tidy and easy to navigate. Start by opening your web browser and going to yahoo.com. This walkthrough focuses on the web version of Yahoo Mail, which is the quickest way to set up folders. On the Yahoo homepage, look toward the top right and select the sign in option. Go ahead and sign in to your Yahoo account securely. Use your usual login details and complete any verification prompts that appear. Once you're signed in, you'll see the familiar Yahoo header. Next, click the mail icon at the top right to open your inbox. This takes you into Yahoo Mail, where all your messages and default folders live. Give the page a second to load fully so the sidebar displays correctly. On the left side of the screen, you'll see the navigation panel. If needed, scroll down in that left sidebar to reveal more options. You're looking for the section labeled Folders. It's below the standard folders like Inbox, Sent, Drafts, and Spam. If you don't see folders right away, it may be collapsed. Try hovering your mouse over the area or scrolling a bit further until it appears. When you see the Folders section, select New Folder. This will open a small text field where you can type the name of your new folder. Choose a clear descriptive name that makes it obvious what belongs there, something like Receipts, Travel, or Project Updates. Short, consistent names make it easier to find things later. Avoid special characters that might cause issues, and consider how the folder name will sort alphabetically alongside your other folders. After you've typed the folder name, press Enter on your keyboard to save it. You should see your new folder appear immediately in the folders list on the left. If nothing happens, double check that your cursor is still in the name field and press Enter again. That's all there is to creating a folder. From here, you can repeat the same process to add more folders anytime you need them. Later, you can drag and drop emails into these folders or explore filters to automate how messages get organized. For now, you've successfully created a new folder in Yahoo Mail, and your inbox is already on its way to being more organized. Thanks for watching, and enjoy your cleaner, calmer email experience.